Hi there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove this cover and even the whole plastic bracket if you need to. Okay, so for the cover, quite easy, put your finger in there, lift it and it pops out. And for this whole thing it's a bit more complicated. You push down on this side, as you can see you have that channel through which this needs to go, the metal part. So you push down and at the same time put your finger under the upper side so you get leverage to rotate this thing. It's quite hard to do with one hand, but it's possible even like that. And then you have some plastic parts, these things that you need to get out from one side, and after that it's completely out. And yeah, yours will look nicer than this because this hole was made by myself and I modified it because I didn't have these things. But for you the hole will look much better. So there's that. And now to put back in the ISO fix, which is quite used as you can see in my case, you simply need to make sure this goes through this channel right here. So it's a bit of a weird movement, but it goes there in the end. And yeah, kind of that's that. And now if you have it, in case you don't really use the ISO fix, you simply pop in the cover. Hope this video helps you, in which case give it a like, check out my other Audi related videos, and as always see you in the next one. Bye!